Hello, hi, namaskar. I am Rishabh Chatterjee, and in this video I'll be sharing my review about national travels. So if you all know, I have traveled from Bangalore to Mumbai national travel Scania bus, and I hope you have watched that video. If you haven't, then the link will be in the description. So this is gonna be the detailed review about that journey, and if you like this video and find it informative, don't forget to hit on that like button. Share this video, also subscribe to the channel, and also comment down below what do you think about this video. Let's get started. Alright, so as I had promised that in my journey videos that I'll share a detailed review video. So a lot of you had asked me in the comment section to explain in detail, as well as when I went to Mumbai and I met my subscribers, they also told me that what happened exactly, please let us know in a video. So I thought I'll share exactly all the details properly. So if you haven't watched my Mumbai subscriber meetup sort of video, then do check out the link in the description. Now anyways, before I actually talk about my experience, I also met one of my friend in Mumbai who also came in national travels from Bangalore to Mumbai, but he didn't come in Scania sleeper. He came in VOLVO B11R, that is the national travels VOLVO B11R, and the bus name is called Sultan. So he actually had certain points to share his review about his experience traveling in VOLVO Sultan. So we'll hear what he has to say about his travel review, and then I'll come back to you about my journey.
You came from Chennai, right?
Yeah.
Tell us about your journey first. Which bus?
I have started with Brindavan Express.
Okay, train.
Yeah, morning 7 o'clock and came to Bangalore at 2 o'clock and I have booked in a national Sultan bus. So worst.
Okay, so guys, you would have already seen my video. It will be released before this about national travels. So he was telling me his bus also almost same situation. Tell us little bit information what happened.
Yeah, what he did means
Which bus you came?
National Sultan.
That is AC semi-sleeper.
AC semi-sleeper, but
Ashok Leyland, Bharat Benz.
no, Volvo.
Oh, it's a Volvo.
It's a
Okay, Volvo.
Volvo, bus want to come at 5:30, but the bus came at 5:45 at Majestic, and simply saying, "Arey bhai, आराम से आएगा, 5 minutes से आएगा," सबला.
Like that.
After that, they started the journey and halted at Anandrao Circle and taken a vehicle at 6:25. Started journey and little bit coming as.
Same situation like how happened to me.
Yeah, look like go-kart. After Yeshwantpur, it goes 80-85 constant. Till Darbangri, it's worst. And after the second pilot change, he does constant 100 and maintained well. I also slept well and wake up at 7 o'clock.
Where did that stop for dinner?
Dinner nearby Aroma.
And Aroma Natural.
Yeah, the
same
same
for us
place
also
and didn't waited for 20 minutes itself. We
Is
have ordered and eat something.
Running.
And suddenly he is honking the horn. Hey, aja.
At least for us 30 minutes he waited. For
Yeah,
you.
30 minutes want to wait, but the little changes, the driver changing at that time. That's the problem. And
Till morning it was
till
okay.
morning it was at 7 o'clock it's okay. And then after Pune, again old guy came. Go-kart driver. Yeah, he drove as आराम से जाएगा.
Okay, what was the expected time to reach?
Expected
Mumbai.
time to reach by Vasi, Mumbai, not Mumbai, Vasi.
Vashi, okay.
Vasi at 9:15, but he came at 10:45.
More than 1 hour 30 minutes delay.
Yeah, 1 hour 30 minutes delay, but worstest travel and
This is, now normally it will 1 hour 30 minutes so much.
yeah,
But
that
if
1
you...
hour 30 minutes is been that second driver changed. Again the second driver changed only. They came fast. After Pune, he goes like a
So if you have seen my video of national travel, same situation only. But if you 1.5 hour, mine was even more. Watch that video if you haven't.
So that was the review about Volvo B11R. Now let me talk about my experience. That was Scania sleeper bus LAMHE. So my first choice was not National Travels at all. A lot of people ask me, why did you choose National Travels? So I had a booking with certain other travels, but that bus got cancelled unfortunately, and I had to book this bus one day before traveling actually. And I booked the tickets via the RedBus app. Now it's not sponsored by RedBus, but I got a very good deal on RedBus. The ticket cost was 1069. Normally it ranges from 1300 to 400, at least what I was checking on that day, one day prior to traveling. And since with the first time booking I got a good discount, so I booked it. If you want to get a good discount like that, I'll leave my referral link in the comment section, also in the description. So if you use the referral and then do the booking, you'll get slightly more extra discount. But anyways, leaving the discount, that was one of the reasons that I booked National Travels, because the cost was coming really good. Plus the second reason was that timing. Now my decision to travel was at a certain time, so I wanted to reach Mumbai at around 10 o'clock. So there were buses, there were a lot of choices actually, and discount wise also pretty much it was the same. So I would have got around 1100 to 200 range. With discount I would have got other bus also, but the problem was that I wanted to reach at around 10 o'clock, 10:30 or 9:45, that range. The problem was that there are buses that were reaching like 7:30, 8:50, 8:30 and all. And then there were buses that were reaching at 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock and all. But I was struggling to find a bus that was reaching at around this 10 o'clock mark. There was one more bus that reaches at around 10 o'clock mark, but unfortunately that got cancelled. So my second option was this one, National Travels, and I booked it thinking that, now my assumption before traveling about National Travels was that they drive really fast and they'll reach early. So that was my thinking before traveling. But some of my friends had told me that the buses don't reach on time, but I didn't know exactly. I didn't take their words that seriously, and I thought, chalo, they will reach at least on time, or before at least they will reach, because they'll drive fast. Private travels, right? So anyways, I booked it. So first problem that came out from the app was that I had to choose my boarding point. So there are lot of boarding points that you can see on the app, and there are two types of boarding points. One is the pickup van. It shows on the app that this is the pickup van, or it shows it. If it does not show, that means it's a bus. So I was checking. I normally wanted to go by bus only directly, don't want pickup van. If it comes or not, what time it will come, don't know. Plus pickup van means it starts a lot earlier, so it will stop at certain place and then you have to reach the bus. So I thought, let me directly go to the bus itself. So I checked on the app, it was showing Madiwala, and in Madiwala it was not showing me any pickup van and all, it was just showing me Madiwala. So I thought this is where the bus will come, and then it will go to Kalasipalya from here. So I thought, let me take this was the first boarding point, so I thought at least first bus will come here. After that I'll record the full journey, how we'll go in Bangalore. So that was my thinking, so that I can show you all also how is the journey going. So I came to Madiwala. I reached there almost at 3 o'clock. Bus was supposed to come at 5:10 to Madiwala. I reached at 3 o'clock because I was so much excited that I'll make nice video for you all. I'll also journey was full exciting. So I came at 3 o'clock. I asked the guy, the person sitting in that Madiwala office. Now I won't be sharing details that I've already shared in my travel journey video. So if you haven't watched that, please do watch that video and then come back, so that you understand what am I talking about. So I reached there, and that guy, the person who was sitting, he didn't have exact idea of when that bus will come or what kind of bus or pickup van will come. He told me that pickup van will come, and he does not have that information when it will come or if it's running on schedule or not. You will come to know directly through the app, or the travels will call you if there is anything. So okay, I told fine. I sat there. I took videos and all. Many buses came there. I took full videos, as you saw in the previous video of my Bangalore to Mumbai video. So everything was done. After that, at around 4 o'clock or 3:30 I got a call. So I got a call and they told me that you are only one passenger that we have to pick up. So they won't be able to send a bus or a pickup, and I didn't know. They're telling they can't send a vehicle. They told they can't send a vehicle because only one person pick up. So where are you now? I told I am already in Madiwala, ready to travel in your bus. So and he was little, oh okay, then you come to Kalasipalya by auto, we'll pay you. So I told, oh, you can't send a vehicle because what auto, when they'll pay, how they'll pay, I didn't know. Extra again have to go by auto. So I asked them, you can't send a vehicle. So they told, okay, then you wait. But I didn't tell them that I can't go. I just told them, okay, then you can't send me a vehicle. So they told me, you wait. And if there is any more passenger booking, then they will send a vehicle. I thought, okay, maybe like this last moment people book, maybe because he's telling. So I'll wait. And once he told me, I'll call you back. So fine, no problem. Cut the call. Again, I'm shooting nicely. Chill, like after spoke. I thought it was the manager or someone in charge of National Travels who is taking in charge of which bus is going where. I was like, okay, at least they know I'm here, so no problem. At around 4:40, I see that guy hasn't called back at all. So I call him back. Now there was a lot of problem with the signal. I couldn't hear him. I couldn't understand what he's trying to say exactly. But during these calls, I understood that he is not a manager or anyone in charge. He is the bus driver who is gonna take us from Bangalore to Mumbai. Very surprising that bus driver is calling to tell that he can't come. If the bus is not coming, then someone in charge or manager should call, right? Why bus driver? Anyways, maybe that is how they work. I am not someone expert. Maybe that is how they work. So okay, fine. He told me he's the driver. You come, I'll pay you there. Alright, so again I told I'll start now. So he told, okay, you wait till 5 o'clock, I'll call you back. 5, no call back. Then these guys where I was sitting, they told me actually, I told them all this kahani. So they told me, you take an auto and go, it's better. They'll pay. They told they'll pay, right? Okay, they'll pay, then you go off now only. Very difficult to find auto and all here. They also guided me like properly. They were actually very good in like guiding me. So they told me you won't get an auto here. So they'll charge you extras and you won't get also. It's better you go near the signal and from there you will get easily. This is the kind of price range between 80 to 100 they'll charge you. So you go there, you'll get and you can directly go to Kalasipad. Like okay, thank you. But anyways, I was waiting because I wanted a confirmation from this driver that I will come or he will come. Finally at 5:10, he calls me and he tells, Abaja auto mein. Till now, why were you waiting then? Anyways, we were waiting. Maybe he was thinking someone else. Aja auto mein. So I told these guys goodbye at the place, Madiwala, and I went little bit back of that and I thought maybe I'll get auto here. But as he told, no one wanted to go, not even a single auto, no extra, nothing. They don't want to go at all. Ola, Uber, auto, no one wants to go. I didn't want to take a cab because again it will cost a lot of money. So, and I was on a very tight budget. So, fine. I went till the station with that heavy, signal with that heavy bag. After that, exactly at the signal, I got an auto and sat in the auto. As he told me, from the signal we got and I went to their Kalasipalya office. Reached Kalasipalya office. There's no bus still. So I go inside the office and I asked if there are it's like a round desk and there are some 2-3 people sitting. So I go to the first desk and ask, I'm from Madiwala, I have bus from Bangalore to Mumbai. So he's like, oh, you're from Madiwala, right? Yeah. So it's like, okay, sit down. So then that is when, see, I already told you I'm on a tight budget. So already this was 100 rupees of auto. So I asked him, Acha, you told that you will pay for the auto, right? So you'll give me the money? I'm like, wait, driver will pay. Your travels, you are the reception in charge and you're asking me to ask the driver. Just think about it. me asking the driver, can you pay, like you can do your own, like whatever you want to talk about and take the money between yourselves. At least the reception in charge should pay me back the money, right? Not me going and asking driver, bhaiya 100 rupees de do, ye de do. It does not feel good and it's not right. But like it's my money, I have to ask him, but does not like feel good that I'm asking driver. But anyways, money is one thing, feel good is one thing. Money is its own place. Anyways, I sat there